I'm Doug Parker. I'm from Williams, California. I've been dealing with RPS for my pump needs for livestock water. And I found out about RPS through Mike and Jeremy at Red Bluff, California at the bull sale. I wanted to talk about the line of sight that RPS offers. I tried one. I was skeptical at first. We installed it in a place that was about 1,800 feet apart, way up on top of a hill with about a 300-foot lift. The tank was already there from another system. We added another pump. I had no way to get wire to it through a creek and across the county road. The line of sight was the perfect option. I had one particular spot where we put it on and went through some heavy trees, and I was a little skeptical at work, but we put it on and it worked perfectly. I would definitely recommend RPS, especially somebody that's just a farmer rancher like me. They make it extremely user-friendly. RPS put the sun to work on our ranch.